Hey y'all, hey, so I am in Target and I want to show y'all something really quick. Because it's cough, congestion, and sinus season, let me show y'all what you can get from Target. Look at here, a neti pot, or you can get the neti rinse. Neti pot is helpful for those people if you have sinus congestion, if you have flu, if you're getting over a cough, cold, congestion. Come grab yourself a neti pot. You will need to use the solution that's included with the pot, but you'll get relief. And so thank me later. You'll thank me later. Bye.